She has been here forever. She's the oldest one on earth. She takes care of us, feed us, letting us breathe fresh and pure air. To think, to feel and dream, and more importantly, she permits us to live, to make us really feel alive. What a magic thing you are. You have so many powers, you can appeal everyone with your beauty. But do we really appreciate you? Is this a toxic love when we allow your exploitation, making profit of you at the end of the day? Tell me, do you really feel protected? Why do we take for granted that you are an unlimited resource? People try to catch an instant of you, specific moments through photography, but you are not an instant. You should be a never-ending story.